If you're looking for the best family health insurance in 2026, my top pick is Blue Cross Blue Shield. And in this video, I'll explain exactly why. Because honestly, when you're choosing health insurance for a family, it's not just about the monthly premium. Also need to think about doctor availability, specialists, hospitals, child Ren-S healthcare, and what happens if someone in your family needs ongoing treatment. And this is where Blue Cross Blue Shield stands out. One of the biggest advantages is its massive provider network. In fact, it's accepted by a huge number of doctors and hospitals across the United States, which makes it much easier to find in-network care close to home. Another reason many families choose Blue Cross Blue Shield is flexibility. Unlike some insurers that only offer limited plan types, Blue Cross Blue Shield offers a wide variety of plans, including HMO and PPO options, allowing families to choose the coverage that best fits their needs and budget. Now let's talk about families specifically, because this is important. When you have children, you want easy access to pediatricians, specialists, urgent care, and hospitals, and Blue Cross Blue Shield consistently ranks as one of the strongest providers when it comes to network access and nationwide coverage. Another benefit is that if your family travels frequently or you move between states, Blue Cross Blue Shield often provides better flexibility than many regional insurance companies thanks to its nationwide presence. Now, if I had to mention one alternative, it would be Kaiser Permanente. Kaiser is excellent for families who live in areas where it's available because it offers highly coordinated care, strong customer satisfaction, and predictable healthcare costs. However, its coverage area is much more limited than Blue Cross Blue Shield. So if you're asking for one company that works well for the largest number of families, Blue Cross Blue Shield is probably the safest overall recommendation for 2026 because it combines a huge provider network, strong coverage options, nationwide availability, and good flexibility for families with different healthcare needs. So to summarize, if you're searching for the best family health insurance in 2026, Blue Cross Blue Shield is my top recommendation, especially for families that want access to more doctors, more hospitals, and more plan choices. Because honestly, when it comes to protecting your family's health, having access to the right care when you need it is often more important than saving a few dollars each month.